Hi all, a question that we get a good bit in this time of the year is what do we recommend as a good winter bike to keep cycling all through the winter but give the best, I suppose, performance and training available to that person. So I'm going to run you through quickly what some of our usual recommendations are in that question. So beside me here I have probably the ultimate winter bike in terms of the Nicholas titanium bikes. Why titanium bikes? Why are they a very good winter option? Is the material of the frame, which is titanium, is non-corrosion material, so it suits being out on the wet roads, on the salted roads, and they won't basically weather like an ordinary bike would, or like a carbon frame might, if it gets enough of that acidic salt eaten away at it. So we have a couple of models there in stock, and there is more available as well within this range. We have the likes of the Nicholas Yukon here in a disc 105 build, lovely build of a bike, as I say, 105 gearing on it. It's a size 57, that one, but again other sizes are available, and it's on your disc brakes as well. You might have seen in an earlier video this month we have a special running currently on the rim brake Astreas, which is good value, and definitely as a winter bike it has all the spec, your electronic gears, your Maverick Caesarium wheels, good wheel set on it. Definitely a good spec of a bike and an ideal winter bike, to be honest. You won't get really any better than that. What other options have we? Something in the last couple of years that has been a big thing in the winter, a road cyclist might think of going into the gravel scene and doing a bit of off the road, and not even off the road, just cycling the back roads, getting off the main beaten track, doing their own wee bit. Like the likes of these machines would have an alloy frame with a carbon fork. They have a Shinamo GRX group set, which is gravel specific. It gives you a good range of gears, smaller cog on the front than what you'd have in your road bike, and bigger gears on the back, so you have a massive range of gears. You can take it off the road into the forest, or you can still travel the road at a good speed as well. There's two examples we have, and again are at a wee bit of a sale discount price as well. We have the Canzo there with the GRX on it in a size X small from Ridley, which would convert to about 51 centimetre. And then we also have a large GRX build as well with the 2x front rings as well, and that's a large in a Ridley, which equates to about a 58 centimetre. So you could go down the road of an alloy gravel bike as well. We have more gravel bikes here available in terms of the Corattack. So you have a couple of sizes available, 52, 55 for example, and there's two different models there with different group sets. And I suppose a third option in terms of keeping pedalling over the winter is looking at mountain bikes. If you want to get off the road for the winter, there's lots of different options there in terms of just buying a good mountain bike to go about your local forest park, or go to somewhere that's specifically set up for mountain biking. It'll keep the legs spinning over the winter and still keep the fitness up. And we do a massive range of mountain bikes, ranging from basic ones all the way up to full suspension mountain bikes, Marin, Santa Cruz, GT. We've piles of different options there as well. So that's just a couple of ways you might be able to keep your cycling up over the winter without keeping on the roads with your good bike. By gaining an additional bike, you can maybe look at something a little bit different, and as I say, keep pedaling away.